Alright, so I've been working on a LED strip that I've pretty much made from scratch, but the reason I made it is I'm going to actually mount this thing on my wooden toolbox right over here. So all it is it just consists of a little on-off toggle switch. You can see on, off, and it's done. It's just crimped onto those two wires. Then it runs to a power supply, which would be the 12 volt adapter, and obviously then it runs to the lights right over here. Now I wanted to run it off the wall, so that's get tangled up here. So I wanted to run it off the wall, that's why I added the little power supply. So we'll plug it in. Got my little wall adapter, which it says LED on it. It's actually meant for a Wi-Fi router, but it's the same specs, so I'm pretty much using it for this. Plug it into the wall over here. Flip it on. Just lean that wire there. And we'll come along over here and then bam, she's on. I've noticed this connection right here, you've really got to push it in all the way. But yeah, so just a little on-off switch. And that's it.